mystery people, we made it. Today we are here at the Great Wall of China, so get excited. We're gonna do this long trek. It's a long walk, so I hope you are prepared. As you can see, we got the wall. Everything's looking really lovely around here, and there's a lot of stairs. Now a lot of these stairs are kind of uneven when you're trying to walk up the stairs, so if you see the camera shake a little bit, you already know how it is, mystery people. That's how we do it. We're checking out the view. Looks nice. Looks like the sun is towards another little section here, but we are going to see how high we can go up, because a lot of people can't go this high. So that's why you want to do things like this when you're young, people. Thanks, Mr. Man. All right. Because there are no elevators here. But yeah, we're going to make it to the top. We're going to the top, and then we're going to go down to the bottom as well. So we're going to finish off where we started, mystery people. So as you can see, these steps are extremely steep, so every once in a while I might put the camera down when I'm climbing the steps, so we'll see. Lots of little lookout areas. As you can see here, we have a really steep ascent. So we have a steep ascent this side, but we're actually going to go over here and we're going to check out a couple little statues and all that good stuff on our way to the wall. So as we're walking this way, people in the comments, y'all can let me know what that says, because I have no idea. We're going to start making our way towards the gate here. I want to show you one more statue that we have before we start working our way up. Now there are a lot of nice buildings and temples and all that kind of stuff, nice architecture around here. So if y'all were in my position, you probably want to go in. So let's do it. Let's go in. If you hear some crunching in the background, that is my water bottle, because I'm going to need it walking up here with y'all. The things that I do, mystery people. Here we go. Great Wall of China, one of the 7 wonders of the world. It's actually done up really nice in here. Lots of little places that you can go through, and there's actually a Great Wall Museum. So get excited about that. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of information that people might want to know, particularly about the Great Wall and why it was built and all that good stuff. Just going to kind of take a lap around. We're not necessarily going to go inside, but you can just kind of check out the view and see all the people climbing up there. They are winded, I'll tell you that. Because I actually went up to have a little sneak preview before, and when I came back, it was pretty bad. Yeah. So yeah, it was really steep. But we will work our way around this little museum and then work our way back up the hill. So you hear a lot of people in the background speaking their native tongue. Now, I don't know any Chinese, but I do know ni hao, which means hello. So you'll hear me saying that to a lot of people. Also might be a lot of randoms trying to take pictures with the mystery man, but you don't know who the mystery man is, because I'm a mystery. So we're just going to keep working our way in and out of here, and I'll see y'all when we start climbing up. Checking back in Mystery Man Travels, and we are working our way up these stairs. You can see how steep it is. It's gonna be crazy, but y'all go ahead and take a walk with me, man. This is how we do it out here, Mystery Man Travels. We climbing the Great Wall, 7 wonders of the world, in the outskirts of Beijing, China. Get excited. This is what it's all about, y'all. And you already know. It's going down up in here. And if I do sound a bit winded, forgive me, because it's really steep. There's a lot of exercise here. This is a hiker's dream, and we hiking today. Ooh, a little tunnel. So this is a fortress. It's called number 7. There's a lot of fortresses around. I'm gonna do the panoramic a lot of times that I'm up here. Just kind of give you all an idea how spectacular this place is. And believe it or not, Mr. Man's really in shape. I'm a runner now, but I do get winded at times. So let's check out the fortress. So there'd be people in here watching everything, and you look in the fortress, you look out the fortress, you work your way around, you get up to the end here, and if somebody's tripping, you shoot the arrow right off the top there. We're going all the way up there, y'all. Let's do it. Mystery Man. Here go another set of steep stairs. I need 2 hands for this, so I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Hey guys. All right, we made it to the next level. Things are nice, things are nice. And we're checking everything out here. As we said, we got to another level, but look how steep this next level is. So we're gonna go up here, then we're gonna take a little break, and we're gonna shoot again when we get to the top. A little bit more of a panoramic, and just to show y'all the damage that we've done so far. We came all the way up here, but we got a whole lot more to go. So I'm gonna get a little bit of this while I'm climbing, just to show y'all the impact. You can look at how steep the stairs are here, and here we go. So we're gonna take another break, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit. So we happen to be in another tunnel, and just when you thought it was over, it keeps going. All right, I'm back. So it just keeps going and going, obviously. We're gonna make it up to that next one, then we're gonna film a little bit more. So let's see what we can do. If you're lucky enough, you can make it to the souvenir shop. Some people don't get up this high, so let's see what we can do. All right, again, it's a little bit shaky when I'm trying to do it. I need a handrail. So I'm gonna turn the camera off and use it, and we'll shoot again when I get to the top. All right, y'all, here we are. Let's do a little bit more. These stairs ain't no joke. Look how steep they are. It's crazy. Woo! These people going to jail over here. I'm not gonna write my name on the wall. I know better. But look at this, y'all. Great Wall of China. Mr. Man Travels. You already know. And I'm out of breath too. Let's keep going. It's nice there's a little bit of shade over here, actually, because you don't get to see that every day. We're hiking the Great Wall of China together. It's noticeably colder up here. Woo! Man. You do not get to see this every day, Mr. People. Great Wall of China. Here goes some more people all the way down there. And a helicopter. Shout to the helicopter. They get a straight shot over here. Zoom in on the helicopter. Shout to the birds. Zoom in on the birds. Thanks, Mr. Man. All right. This is what it's all about. Life is good, y'all. Mystery Man Travels.